Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. July 2020. How it is going to be for Capricorn or Makara Rashi. First, let's look at the planetary positions. Retrograde Saturn is in the first. Mars is in the third. Venus is in the fifth. Sun, retrograde Mercury and Rahu are in the sixth. Retrograde Jupiter and Ketu are in the 12th from your Rashi. Positive planets for you would be Venus, Sun, retrograde Mercury, Rahu and Mars. Rest will be negative, that is Ketu, Jupiter and Saturn. So the effects of the solar eclipse was very good on your Rashi. So that effect is going to continue. And many planets are also favorable for you in this month. So you will regain or you will have good energy. You will have positivity to move forward. Okay. In full pace rather. The health factor will also be good. You can expect victory in competitions. Overall, if I have to talk, it's going to be a positive month for you. Though 7.5 is running, still you have favorable things which you can get in this month. Now coming to health. Health, if I have to talk, there could be mental restlessness. Headaches and body aches are indicated. Then there could be some burning in the throat area, that is indicated. There could be small cuts or bruises here and there. Okay, that may happen. However, many planets are good in your transit now. So because of that, you will be able to fight back and regain good health. So not much to worry on the health front. Just don't be careless. That's all. Career and business, if I have to talk. People who are working, they'll be able to win if there is any competition or if there is any race for a seat, for a position or whatever. So they'll be able to win through their efforts. Their work will increase. So that is indicated in this month. You may also start traveling for work. There could be good gains from travel also. Overall, it's a better month for people who are working. Now coming to businessmen, if I talk about businessmen, they are in a very good position and they may win some tenders, some government related orders if they are participating. Overall, their gains could be well. If they are planning any new ventures or new projects, they will be able to successfully start. You can expect good business coming from the foreign land. If you are working on a tender or on a project from a foreign land, you can expect some good news. So overall, it is positive for businessmen as well. Coming to students. Students also can expect good results. If they are writing any competitive exams or anything, they will be able to pass with flying colors. It's a good month for the students. Now coming to the gains. Wealth or gains. You can expect good gains from a foreign land also. Okay. And at the same time, you can expect some expenditure, but that expenditure will be for good causes. Okay. So both are indicated, good gains as well as expenditure for a good cause. Also some sudden gains are also indicated for a few people. So this is about wealth or gains. Coming to the family, overall atmosphere will be fine. Specifically, relationship with your siblings will enhance now. Elders will respect you for what you have done. Your spouse will support you nicely this month. Children also will be a reason for you to be happier. So overall, if I have to say, this is a good month for Capricorn or Makar Rashi people. However, since 7.5 is running and Jupiter also is not in a good position for you. Some remedies are suggested. Recite Hanuman Chalisa every day. That's a standard thing that you have to do till your Sadhisati is over. You can recite Durga Suktam, or you can listen to Durga Suktam every evening. That will help in warding off lot of obstructions, troubles, delays and denials. Okay. Pray to Lord Shiva. As a long term, if you can follow doing Abhisheka on Mondays, okay, or you ensure that in your presence, if a priest performs an Abhisheka on Shiva in your presence, it will be good. Every Monday you can plan that. Then if you want to donate some things, dark blue color clothes, black sesame seeds can be donated. One more remedy that you can expect is that you can follow is that you lead a disciplined and a just life. That is something which is a remedy for Saturn in the long run. I hope that this month will bring in more happiness, peace, prosperity into your lives. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.